sounds, so the type of shit you hear, that's how when you go ear to ear with the future. Pickle cog album, and the shit gon' be godly. The shit gon' be godly.
The future sounds, the type of shit that you hear when you go ear to ear with the future. Pickle cog album, this shit gon' be godly. Pickle cog album, this shit gon' be amazing. I'm drinking water, yeah, that's good for me. I don't be taking pills, oh, I don't drink no lean. My boy Vince, yeah, he really likes his tea. I drink too much water, now I gotta piss. They come to me, they come to me. I know the guy you talking to look like a leaf.
Hungry cat.
Me and Matt smoke too much profane chief. Don't talk to me, you gon' get pumped in the teeth. You tryna rap, boy, come to me, yeah, I'll teach. Come to me and I'll preach. Young man is elite. This little verse is so neat. This little verse is so heat. Come to me, take a seat. Come to me, meet my meat.
Whoa, got my soda, you know it, we're not pour up. Ain't Pepsi, yeah, it's cola. We so icy, we much colder.
I'm drinking on the lemonade. Pickle gonna chuck grenades. Come say it to my fucking face and tell me what the people say.
Haters gonna call us trash. Records what we gonna smash.
I'm in first and using last. Caleb Moore, you are a rat.
Whoa, wait, hold up. Little boy know that his luck up.
You know I keep my sword tucked. I'm a ninja with the nunchucks.
I'm a nun up in the monastery. They all think that we are scary.
Shout out to my friend Larry. Bro need to shave cause he is hairy.
Truck's gonna get us out the hood. Naps that we take are really good.
The bitch stopped looking at my wood. She says she wish she really could. These are future sounds. These are future sounds. Cog Pickle album gon' be great. Cog Pickle album gonna bless your ears.
We make the best albums and no one can finish them. I say we gonna make millions, we out here releasing billions. We don't even need a producer, our words are enough to seduce ya. Cog and Pickle now combined, we making waves through song online. Play this song so loud that your speaker blows your mind. I'm not really into crowds, so you know I stay in mine. I was born in 201, so you might just be my son.
Awesome.
Don't you even try and argue, I've already won.
We won!
Going down the hole right now. What hole? Where's the hole? The mine hole! Everything despawned, Matt! Everything I just had! All our red copper wire! All of it!